Maricel, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Kasi teka lang ha. Ito na papel.
Wala si Julian Mark.
Saan siya? Hala! Sino Pepe Mark?
Papirmihin mo sa ano.
Gusto ko ito Pepe Mark.
Pero please say hi to all our friends, fans all around the world.
Hello! Wow! Bago yan na. Ikot tayo. Ikot.
See? This is the
Wow.
background that we have.
Yeah.
It's very dark.
That's the best. That's the best selfie stick ever.
So enjoy this yung selfies.
Pakita mo si Marcel.
Si Maricel, ayun, oh. What is she doing?
Kita. Hindi na tayo mahihirapan.
Nangihingi si Ate May. Ate May, sige, kumuha ka na ng quarter sleeve sa loob.
Ito na.
Mali ka dito, ate.
Ako makikita tayo. Naglalaro ko, wala kang benta. Hello.
Say hi. Andiyan ate, kumuha ka na dyan.
Number?
Whatever. Just get everything what you want. Get everything, get all.
Thank you.
Say hi to all your friends, fans all around the universe.
Hi, Teng. Hi, Mom.
Nung taray, Maricel, humaharapin mo ako. Asan ka na, Maricel? Maricel, tell me now. I just want to say hi to all my friends, fans all around the world. The universe, rather. Asan sila, Kuya Reddy? Selfie. Marcel, asan ka na? Anong masasabi niyo dyan? Maricel, ang babaeng lagi nakatalikod.
Anong tatawag mo sa kanya?
Alam mo, kinaganda mo yan. Humarap ka. Marcel, asan na yung i-return? Hinahanap ko yung return. Paano ko i-return? Wow, ang taray. Wow.
Ang ganda.
Pinaganda mo ba yan sa?
Siyempre.
Mas madali
I'm gonna
na
miss this.
no?
This is the store. Paalis na ako sa store. I'm gonna miss this one. See how huge this store is? I cannot even walk the day. Wow, kinaganda niya yan.
Mas maganda ka sa akin.
Siyempre. Ako pa. Charing, pag nahuli tayo. Ano si Ate May?
How much? Pero kapatid tayo 5 SD ko, wala na.
Hindi.
Magkano? 1649. 1649.
Ang taray. I will rotate. Sarap. Petix din pag may time. See? I just want to say again and again. Hi to all my friends, fans all around the world. The universe, rather. Meron akong background. Kinaganda niya yan. Asan yung device? I-return ko yun eh. Kailangan ko magsasarap.
Nakikita mo to?
Magsasarap yun, sorry. Ikaw magbabalik niya. Pag bukas walang device, bahala ka kay next week.
Nakikita mo? Ayan oh.
See how rude this ugly lady?
Did you see the Hong Kong International Airport, by the way?
Yes. Where's the Hong Kong International Airport? Baka ano, ibalik mo na yung return. Baka, shit, yeah. Para
Uy, mas mahal pa yung cellphone ko sa ano.
Wait
Ay,
lang.
bumagsak na yan kanina.
Talaga?
Balding. Oo, maganda.
Wait.
Mataas.
We have a visitor coming over. I have to go back now to work. Maricel, kailangan ko i-return. Ayaw ni Lakshmi na may mga pending returns. Pangit ka na nga, arte mo pa, charing. Back to work na. Ethics is over. Bye everyone. Precious, I love you so much. I miss you so much. God bless you so much. Tatay, I love you. I miss you. God bless you. Mama, chup chup. Buyers everyone.